To activate eSIM on Google Pixel 10a, what you need to do is you need to go to Settings. Next, in Settings, we're going to proceed to the Network and Internet. And then in here, we're going to tap on the SIMs option. Now let's wait a couple of seconds. And then you might be able to immediately set up an eSIM if you don't have a physical SIM card inserted into your phone. On the other hand, if you do have a SIM on your phone, then instead you have to tap on Add SIM first, and then of course we can set up an eSIM. You should be able to scan the QR code that you received from your operator that allows you to activate the eSIM. There we go, it looks like this. You can also scan from a photo in case you have the photo saved in the gallery of the QR code, and if you want to activate the QR code with the activation code, then we can tap on Try these troubleshooting steps, and then over here we can tap on Enter activation code in this place. So let me scan the QR code, and if you do so as well, we can tap on the setup in the bottom right corner and follow the rest of the instructions until you are done with the setup. Alright, there we go. Now we're gonna go back to the settings, and remember to turn on your eSIM over here. You might also need to go through these additional options over here, so you have to do that, of course. We can choose default SIMs in here and tap on Done once you are done with everything. And that should be pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.